Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get going with today's video, I want to help save you guys money on what is one of all of our biggest expenses as rideshare drivers. Fuel, right? Costs us thousands of dollars each year fueling up our vehicles, and now you can save money. All you have to do, go to the video description below. There's a link there for the Get Upside app. You're going to click that, download the app on your phone, and then you go fill up. You're going to save 15 cents per gallon. You'll continue to save on all of your fuel fill-ups nationwide. You can't do it retroactively though, right? Once you download the app, you can't go back and use our promo. You have to download the app using our link in the video description below. So go, video description below, click it, download the app, save money on all of your fuel fill-ups. All right, let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get started with today's video, I want to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers here on the channel. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do so right now so you'll get updates anytime we come out with exciting and important, relevant new content. We bring out all the information that has to do with everything rideshare driving, and right now, everything that has to do with making money and getting financial security in any way possible for all of our rideshare drivers. So, because of that, myself, being a rideshare driver, the ride demand is super low here in Phoenix. I've been looking at other ways to earn revenue. It's looking like teaching golf and acting productions are going to be at an all-time low for quite a while. And so I've been looking into what am I going to do after pandemic unemployment assistance runs out, and more specifically, what am I going to do after the federal stipend, the $600 a week at the end of July, that increases that pandemic unemployment assistance runs out or stops, because I'm only getting $117 a week from pandemic unemployment assistance through the state, which is not going to be enough to pay my bills after the end of July. So all of that being said, I've been looking into new ways to make income, and Instacart demand is through the roof right now. It's like 20 times more demand in some states or some cities throughout the nation. So I've been looking a lot into Instacart. And with that, I haven't started driving for Instacart yet because I am receiving pandemic unemployment assistance. So I've been doing a lot of research and made a video. I found some mistakes that a lot of Instacart shoppers make. And so I've got 10 mistakes that most Instacart, or the 10 mistakes that Instacart shoppers make the most. I guess that's how I should have it labeled. So anyway, I want to go over this with you guys. If you've driven or shopped for Instacart and you have any insight or wisdom that you can share with me, please do so in the comment section below. I would be happy to get any of your information. But this is what I came up with. So let's get right into this thing. So the number one mistake that is commonly made by Instacart shoppers is that they don't use a referral code to sign up. Makes me want to pull my hair out. Anytime you start a new app, you've got to use a referral code because you can get a sign up guarantee or sign up bonus and make some extra income. So use a referral code if you are going to drive or shop with Instacart. There is one in the video description below. If you haven't started shopping with them and you want to give it a shot, use that referral code. All right, that way you can get a sign-up guarantee. Now, second most common mistake is that when new shoppers do sign up and use that referral code, they don't go for the daily or weekly bonuses. Instacart has daily and weekly bonuses. I don't know enough about it here in my area yet because I haven't started driving yet, but anytime that there's bonuses, that's the best way to make some extra income. So I have to look more into that. You guys let me know what you think about Instacart's bonus, weekly and daily bonus setup. If it's good, if it's not so good, I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. Now, number 3 on the list is when you do initially sign up, too many drivers don't, you have to, okay, so in order to earn your referral bonus, you need to complete so many batches, right? And so the best way to do that, like with rideshare driving, is to do the smallest amount of batches. So too many drivers or too many shoppers don't go for the small batches so that they can complete those and get those batches under their belt. So review those batches. If you're just signing up to start shopping with Instacart, go for the small batches so you can get your referral bonus. Number 4. This is a big one. Talk about it with rideshare driving all the time. You've got to do this. And not enough Instacart shoppers are doing this. You've got to use a mileage tracker. That is probably your biggest tax write-off, is going to be your miles. It certainly is with rideshare driving. The fact that you're going to be driving less with Instacart shopping, it's not as important, but it's still important. You're saving 58 cents a mile. I always do this. This is stupid. I should look it up. It's either 52 cents or 58 cents a mile. I'm pretty sure it's 58 cents a mile. But you're driving a lot of miles. Track those miles. You can do it through Gridwise. Great app. They'll track your miles, and use those as tax write-offs at the end of the year. And you don't have to pay that money in taxes then. Super important to track all your miles. Also, don't rely on any of your apps to track your mileage, because your actual mileage that you're going to be driving and the mileage that will be tracked through any apps, I'm talking Uber, Lyft, any of the food delivery apps, Instacart, any of them will not be the same as the actual miles that you've driven doing your work. For example, if you're driving to go get an oil change, that is a tax write-off because you have to have your vehicle to do this job. So please, get Gridwise, track your mileage, get that tax write-off. Number 5, too many people, Instacart shoppers, don't do their research. They don't watch YouTube videos, they don't read articles, they don't know what they're getting into, and then it's just trial by fire. They get into it, and they don't have all the information that they need to, they get into situations where they don't know what's happening. So that's why I'm doing my research right now up front before I get into it. I've got a little bit of time. I can hear from you guys, get some insight, read reviews, hear the pros and cons on things, learn what to do in different situations. For example, if there's an item that someone requests and it's not there, what do? Well, side note, what I found out is you can get a replacement item, or you can contact the customer while you are shopping for their batch. Anyway, point being, do your research. All right, number 6. Oh yeah, you don't wear comfortable shoes. Shoppers, you gotta wear comfortable shoes, man. You're gonna be out there all day long, hustling, grinding, running through the grocery stores, picking up stuff. Wear comfortable shoes. Your feet, your body will thank you. Believe me. Feet talk. And they walk. I don't know. Number 7. Oh, yeah. Drivers forget to use the Get Upside app. If you haven't gotten the Get Upside app, use the link in the video description below for that. That is going to save you money on your fuel fill-ups. You can get cash back on all your fuel purchases. That's cash directly back to you. Do that. Save that money on your fuel. You're going to have to fuel up a lot, right? We know that as rideshare drivers. Instacart shoppers, fuel up. Get the Get Upside app. Video description below. Number 8. Yeah, this is a big mistake for rideshare drivers as well. Too many shoppers, Instacart shoppers, go into homes. Here's the thing. For your safety, just hands down, just never do that. Don't go into someone's home. You don't know. There's nothing there to protect you on the other side. You don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't go into someone's home. That's all I got to say on that. It's not worth the risk. Even if it's a nice old lady, you don't know. All right. Leave it at that. Okay, number 9. Yeah. I probably would have been guilty of this. Luckily, I did my research and I figured this out first, but mistake that Instacart shoppers make is they get frozen food first. It's funny, I was just in Walmart and I was thinking as I was walking through there, I'm like, man, the frozen food is like the first aisle. It's produce and then it's all frozen foods. And I always start at the beginning of the store and work my way back. And I gotta change that around, because if you get frozen foods first, especially if you're in Phoenix where it was 111 degrees today, it's gonna get messy, it's gonna melt, and you're gonna get bad reviews. So don't make that mistake. All right, and number 10. Most commonly made mistakes by Instacart shoppers: they forget to inspect the batches before choosing. Now, here's the deal. I actually don't know why that's... I haven't shopped for Instacart yet, so I actually don't know why that is a problem. So you guys, if you have shopped for Instacart, let me know. It's just popped up on a lot of forums that drivers don't check the batches before choosing which ones to take. So get down in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this list. Let me know your feedback on Instacart shopping, what your experience has been with it. More videos to come on this, because I am looking seriously into doing this. And advise me why I should or should not do this once it's time for me to start working again on the other side of this pandemic. Oh boy, what a crazy time we're living in. Anyway, I'm Jacob Lettman. This is the Rideshare Hub, you guys. More importantly, make sure you're staying safe and happy out there. And until the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.